This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 13 of Building Robocop. This time we're starting on the foot, the other foot. We've done one, we're going to do another one. Continuing our look at the designing of Robocop. Part 2 of that. Feel free to pause and read all of the words on the pages if you like. So you're starting on the right foot. Very similar to what we did before, but spread over multiple issues. It's the same with all the part works. Often the first few issues will do a lot. For instance, we've done the entire hand in one issue. That's going to be over 3 or probably 4 issues of the other hand. But same with the foot. We did the foot, I think, in 1 issue or 2. This is going to be spread over more than 2. Elmer and Elsie, again, obviously early robotics. And arcology. I've heard about this. I've read about it from games and things. Basically, it's self-contained cities, basically. It's all like enclosed ecosystems. Very interesting stuff, and could well be the future. So, yeah, that's quite interesting. I might go back and read more about that. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's start on the foot. Yes, so here we have the nice metal start of the foot, the main part, and the big ball joint that goes in there, like so. This will then go over the top, but not until we've filled it with the caps. We've got the little one and the big one. Not sure why there are multiple caps in there, but there are. They go in there like so. And then this, does it matter which way round it goes? It does. 2 of these are slightly sort of off kilter. So let's see which way round that's going to go. Actually, I'm going to take that out first. I'm going to take those out as well. We'll have an investigate and see. Goes on there that way round, and that is okay. Let's try turning it and seeing what happens. Seems to fit on there equally as well. No, that's not lining up properly on the corner pieces there. So I luckily got it right the first time out, which is that way round. So let's get it that way round. Drop that in there. Drop these. That's that way round that we're sticking with to go over there like that. So I'll put those in there like so. Turn this over that way. That in there, and then get that lined up. That should be that. I should have got these out first because it might all tip out. Let's try and hold that together while I get at least a couple of these out. There we go. So we've got 4 screws to hold this together. As ever, we put in these sort of things in. Don't tighten down the first one. Get them all in and down a little bit before you tighten down the first one, especially on these ball joints, because you probably won't be getting all of them down fully tightened. But they should all be tightened down the same amount or similar amount each one. Actually, I need a slightly bigger screwdriver for those. That's a better fit. There we go. That's that. Get the other 2 in. There we go. Now, my experience of doing these sort of joints leads me to suggest that you tighten them up as tight as you're happy them being, and then go just a little bit tighter, because they do ease off a bit in use and wear. So you want to make sure that they're nice and tight, because you don't want him to have floppy ankles or he'll fall over, and that would not be a good look for old Robocop. So get these tightened down fairly tight, and then, as I say, probably go a little bit more. Not sure which way the joint needs to go on this again, so it will rotate. So that's that. I'm going to go a bit tighter than that, and then that will be this issue complete. Ready for the next one, which is in this delivery, when we'll go back and do a little bit more of the foot. So yeah, that's that. I'm going to call that a day there. I can always tighten these up a little bit more before the bottom plate goes in place, but that moves but is quite tight, so that's just how I want it to be. So there we have it. That's that. Another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment, let me know, and I shall see you for the next part very, very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.